Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Microsoft Excel file to CSV file. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Microsoft Excel file and then you're going to save it as CSV file. And I'm going to show you how we can do that. We can click on the file menu and then select save as. And you can choose a folder you want to save your file in. And for instance, I'm going to save it in my document folder. And then we can go to the type. And here you just need to select CSV file. You can choose this one or this one. And I'm just going to choose this one, guys. And then we just need to click on save. Okay. And now it's done. And then I'm going to check it in my document folder. Again, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to convert our Microsoft Excel file into a CSV file. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.